Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to play music in your Ford Ecosport. You have several convenient options to enjoy your favorite tunes. We'll cover connecting your phone wirelessly, using a USB drive for your music library, plugging in devices with an auxiliary cable, and tuning into radio stations. Let's get started with the details for each method. Connecting your phone via Bluetooth is simple. First, ensure Bluetooth is active on both your smartphone and your Ecosport's infotainment system. On the car's screen, navigate to the audio settings and select Add Device. Your phone should appear in the list. Select it to pair. Confirm the pairing code displayed on both devices, and you're ready to stream audio wirelessly. For music stored on a USB drive, simply insert it into the designated USB port, usually found in the center console. Then, select USB as your audio source on the car's display. If you prefer an auxiliary connection, plug a 3.5mm cable from your device into the auxiliary jack. Choose auxiliary as the input, and your music will play. To listen to the radio, use the tuning controls to find your desired AM or FM station. You can save your favorite stations as presets for quick access. If you encounter any issues, first ensure your device's volume is turned up. Also, double-check that all cables are securely connected. These simple steps should help you enjoy your music.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.